Here's one of the most important things to remember when riding park. I've always thought practice made perfect, but that ain't it. My favorite trick in the park is still the front board. Last year, I would hike a single rail for hours just to get comfortable doing a front board to fakie. It didn't take long to realize this season I had some catching up to do, especially when I was face to face with a box 2 inches off the ground and I was scared out of my mind. Where the park is located, there's always front row seats of the action from the chairlift. Quickly, the thought of looking like a Jerry in front of everybody has to vanish from your mind, because it takes away from the trick you're trying to do. The more you concern yourself with what other people are thinking, the more that concern will come true. I remember vividly I told myself, I'm gonna bust my ass on this rail. And then 2 seconds later, usually after the first fall in the park, you realize don't nobody really care. And bonus points if someone else hiking asks you if you're okay. The people that know what it takes to progress will not judge you. Them little kids talking shit from the chairlift, they're just looking for attention. And in the moment, it may seem as if it's targeted towards you, but in reality, it's attention they need from their parents. Don't hate the messenger, fam. Go talk to your child. Either way, find some way to drown out the noise. Put on your favorite T-Swift song, get focused, and remember the steps to getting your trick dialed. Practice doesn't make perfect, it makes non-linear progress. When you're in the park working on something and you notice other people hiking, there's this unspoken bond where we're all determined to land our tricks, to overcome the obstacles before us. We're connected through this test of will within the confines of a snow-covered skate park. And if you bust your ass, it's all good, pimpin', just get back up and try it again. Be a teacher to yourself and ask, what did you learn from almost cracking your skull open on this galvanized pipe, young blood? And then go back and stomp your trick. You're not alone in this. The more you show up, the more you'll find your people, and watch how you'll progress on your own terms.